Have you been struggling with high blood pressure? You're not alone. Millions of people rely on medication and cut back on salt to keep their blood pressure in check. But what if there was another way? Meet potassium, the underrated mineral that could be the real hero in the battle against hypertension. While lowering salt intake and taking prescribed medications are essential steps, growing research shows that potassium may be doing the heavy lifting in reducing blood pressure. Why is potassium so effective? It works in your kidneys, helping them flush out excess sodium and relax your blood vessels. Think of it as a natural diuretic. A groundbreaking study in China found that using potassium-enriched salt significantly reduced the risk of strokes and cardiovascular events. The results? About 3/4 of the benefits came from the increase in potassium. Most of us don't get enough potassium in our daily diets. The solution? Switching to potassium-rich foods like bananas, potatoes, spinach, and even potassium-enriched salt. For those who can't easily change their diet, adding a potassium supplement might be the key to a healthier life. So if you're looking for a simple yet powerful way to manage your blood pressure, consider adding potassium to your daily routine. It's time to give this mineral the attention it deserves. Your heart will thank you.